Cpap Cleaner reviews consumer reports. For those who have obstructive sleep apnea, the best way of treatment is to put a Cpap machine on the mouth in order to get a constant and steady air pressure. Cpap itself means continuous positive airway pressure, so putting it on the mouth while sleeping is going to ensure that you don't have any trouble breathing. Check out the best Cpap Cleaner reviews by consumer reports below and choose the one that suits your requirements the best. Number 5. Alexma Cleaning Bundle for Cpap Machines. No complicated operating procedures, you can use it easily. Save your time and energy. Unique design to provide the best fresh and safety for you and your families. To make you feel at ease at any time. Built-in high-quality rechargeable battery, charging safely and fast. Compact design makes it becomes the best choice both for home or travel use. Number 4. Blacklight All-Purpose Ozone Cleaner and Sanitizer equals H, hassle-free one-button start without any extra setting. It automatically shutting down. The included universal adapter can easily connect to 15mm and 22mm standard hoses of most popular brands. The included carbon filter will decrease the unpleasant smell. Help you enjoy the fresh air easily. Number 3. Isonic Ultrasonic Cpap Deep Cleaner equals H. Ultrasonic cleaner generates cavitation, which are millions of air bubbles which implode and dislodge debris from the item submerged in water. Isonic Ultrasonic Cpap Deep Cleaner cleans in crevices and inside the hose. In comparison, ozone or UV cleaners only disinfect the top surfaces, and they do not remove debris, so debris are accumulated in the mask and the hose. A stainless weight bracket holds down the mask and the hose from floating. Number 2. Groenze UV Light Sanitizer Cleaner. The Groenze UV Light Sanitizer Cleaner is a highly effective multi-purpose cleaning tool that you can receive many varied benefits from using. This cleaner is an easy-to-use system that uses UV light to remove excess particles from your devices and products. The air filter system prevents polluting your products, effectively sterilizes your products, and prevents bacterial growth and mold growth. There is a 16-minute sterilizing process, a 51-minute drying process, or 51-minute automatic process. This machine is a 3-in-1 operating system that keeps your products clean regardless of how dirty they appear to be. Number 1. Coral UV 3-in-1 Sterilizer and Dryer. The Coral Sterilizer effortlessly eliminates 99.9% of harmful germs in 10 minutes. 2 UVC lights provide double sterilization strength than regular UV sterilizer. Coral UV has undergone our IGOROUS lab testing to eliminate E. coli, Salmonella, Staph and MUCH more. Uses 2 Philips UVC lamps with the best-in-class quality. Dries your items with a warm temperature in just 40 to 70 minutes, safe for plastics, glass or silicone. It's safe for plush toys, cell phones, electronics, keys, eyeglasses, kitchenware, and just about anything at your home.